everyone, I'm sharing with you how to make a basket. The tiny one, but the square with the cover on the top, like the flap over. So you can use all that little fabric that you have around your house. I'm sharing with you one, and then you go to make 5 more. You need 2 pieces of each color, so to make one side. So I have cut in here the paper of 3.5 inches square. You go into traces on, or you can cut this out, but I like to do this, and then I sew, and then after that I cut it much easier. So I usually do the old school thing, cut the paper and then trace on the fabric. That's why my cut in my project always come out nice and even. So now when I have this one, and then I'm going to place on top of the other one. Remember, right side facing the right side. And then I cut in here 3 inches of the interfacing. So you're gonna sew on the interfacing side around here. You're gonna leave here about 1 inch open so you can inside out. So go and sew it around, or around in here to here, and stop, leave this open so you can inside out. So everyone, after I sew 6 pair together, and you go and trim this around. You're gonna cut on the side of this, okay, not on the side of the interfacing. So you go on to press on the side where you left it open. Just press on the side. You're going to inside out this, and then after that you're gonna iron all around. You're gonna do all 6 of them. So everyone, after I inside out and I iron them all, I also cutting on the cardboard. This is 2 inches square, and I'm gonna go right here on each of the square, and I'm gonna draw the line. So then you can sew around the square, the 2 inches to just little design. If you want to do something embroidery, you can do that, or you can whatever you want to do on this line. You can put all the design, anything you want here. So after I did trace all that square, you go on to sew on the line, all 6 of them. If you don't want this to do that, don't do it. It's optional. I'm gonna pick one of these, and then I have it in here 4 inches elastic. Or if you don't have this one, you can use the face mat, the old face mat on the elastic, and cut this out. And it right on the opening space right here. You're gonna fold it in half first, so you can get it on this right the center right here, and you can sew it right in the center of that. But let me just sew this two together, or you can tie it if you want to. I like to do anything nice and neat, so I'm gonna go in and sew these two ends together. Symbol like that. And then I'm going to place this right in the center of this before I sew in the square. Okay, just like that. You can just I'm gonna go right inside of this, right in the opening space, right at the square. And I'm gonna go very close to it so I can have it hold on to it. Just like that. Okay, now it stay. You don't need to sew too much, just like that. And now you're gonna go and follow the square, and then you're going to sew all the square together. It's time to put them together so you can sew it, hand sew. All right, so I'm gonna, this one right here with the loop, I'm gonna leave it right here, just like so. And then I'm going down, whatever you want, going down all the way. And down this way, going down this way, and this way. So just like a cross, the longest one this side, the longest one, the loop going this way. So whatever you decide to do between these two, because this one is the loop and this one the button. So whatever, you can alternate the color, whatever, okay? But right now, I'm gonna show you what to do. You're going to fold this together, and then you're going to sew a hand sew using ply stitch. Let me just show you a few, and then you're going to do that, all of them, okay? So like that, and or you don't need to do ply stitch, you can sew one side to the other. Okay, so like this, and then go into the other side. You scoop this up from the other side, and then you go into this side, you scoop up this side, you slide the needle on the side, and then go to the yellow, go to the blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, but try not to do too far apart, close together. So when you pull, it's nice and neat. So do this all the way. So these two stay together. So this, okay, doing this kind of stitch, everyone, that's very simple. Go into the side and then sew to the blue, and then go to the yellow, pull, and blue, pull, like that. Okay, all the way. So just pretend you're done this one, okay, and then this two, you're gonna sew in together. Go on this side, sew this together. Let me just pin this down so you know. So let me just pin it here. So sew these two together. This two together on the side, and then this one together. So when you put it together, you go in this way like this. Okay, and then sew this side. Same way I just show you. You can bring it to the car or go to the sofa, listen to the TV. Okay, like this. And this one already, what is going on? This one already on, okay? And then when you're done with this two side, go on to this side, sew on this side. Let me just clip it. So sew on this side together on here, and then this one right here go into here. So flipping together like this, and then this two together. Let me clip, pin, let me pin this down. So now when you're done, you have something like this. It's all together. So it's a straight line across. And then after that, I'll show you what to do after. Very simple. That's why I don't take, you know, the whole time and show you each time we sew, because that's gonna be a long time. But when I'm done sewing when I'm done sewing, I will show you what to put together, like the box, like that. Okay, so go back to here, sew this one. You're done, lip it out. Go on this side, sew this. Done, put it out. Go on this side, sew this together. This together, sew, and then this one together and sew. Very simple. Everyone can do. All right, everyone, do that. After I sew on these together, you can see. Now we're gonna sew it as the box. The same way I show you how to sew. You're gonna fold on this side, folding this together, and then you're going to sew the same way I show you. Blind stitch, sew on this, and then after you sew on this side, you're gonna sew on this side, fold on this, and then sew this side together. And when you're done sewing this, you're gonna bring the second piece, this third piece over, and then sew on this side. Sew this side together. And when you're done sewing this side together, same thing, just like the box, everyone. You have it in your hand, you know it. So this one, and then that basically it, everyone. So when you're done, it should look like the box, like this. Okay, all right, go ahead, go and sew. Everyone, I finished sewing the box together. It is so cute. So you can add the button right here and on one side, so the elastic loop can go in here. So I fold the center, and from the center here about half an inch down, I'm gonna sew the button. So slide the needle here first, so then I don't need to see the knock. Okay, so I'm going to here, and then I go to the next one, and then I go back to here, and then out. I'm gonna sew this. Very simple box that everyone can do. You can do this to keep your little clip or little thing that you want. Anything you want to keep in here. I just give you an idea how to make things, but it's your call to do whatever. And then from here, I'm gonna go up, but I'm not going to the holes. I'm gonna go and wrap this around a few times, and then I'll go in the back here, and I make a knock, and I come out. That's very simple. Just like that. Super easy. And for this, you can make this for gift. Put the gift in here. Remember the live stream I did the other day for this one, that for the moisturizer for your face. It's super good. It smells so good, everyone. I love this one, and I only use this, and it smells very nice too. Let me just it's not open yet, but I have one in the bathroom that I'm using. It smells really good. So nice. Okay, and inside it have the container like this. And the cream height. Oh my goodness, it smells. I can't believe it. It smells good. Alright, so this whole container, it lasts for a few months. So you can give it to someone. I wrap this, or you can just put it in here if you want to give it to someone. Or you can put the whole candy in here, or your hair clip, your sewing clip, or anything you want, you can use it. But I'm just doing this one. And then when you're done, you're going to go to this side, and then you put on the elastic over the button. And that basically it, everyone. So simple. Easy to make. And this is a 3 1/4 3 1/4 square. So cute. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for the people who always support my channel every time I upload a new video or anytime I go on live stream. Love you. Stay safe everyone. Take care.